Hey everyone, welcome back to X Tech Countdown. Today's episode is a treat for all the budding photographers, videographers and vloggers out there, because we're diving into the top 10 mirrorless cameras tailor-made for beginners. We've got the specifications and prices for you in this video, as well as links in the description below, so stick around. But before we begin the countdown, don't forget to click the subscribe button to stay tuned with us. Now let's dive into the world of mirrorless cameras perfect for beginners. Number 10, Pentax KF. Kicking off our list at number 10 is the Pentax KF. This weather-resistant champ comes with a 24.24 MP sensor, a wide ISO range, and a robust build. Perfect for outdoor enthusiasts. The price? An affordable $947. Number 9, Olympus EM10 Mark IV. Sliding in at number 9, we have the Olympus EM10 Mark IV. A 20 MP sensor, Bluetooth connectivity, and a nifty selfie mode make it a versatile choice. You can grab this one for $799. Number 8, Panasonic Lumix G9. At number 8, say hello to the Panasonic Lumix G9. With 4K 60p video recording and 20.3 MP micro Four Thirds sensor, it's a powerhouse. Get your hands on this for $1,097. Number 7, Nikon ZFC. Coming in at number 7, we've got the Nikon ZFC. This vintage-looking beauty boasts a 20.9 MP sensor, 4K UHD capability, and a design that takes you back in time. Priced at $1,097. Number 6, Canon EOS R50. The Canon EOS R50 takes the 6th spot. Compact, 24.2 MP sensor, and 4K uncropped video make it a fantastic entry-level choice. It's yours for $799. Number 5, Sony ZV E10. Our number 5 is the Sony ZV E10. A large 24.2 MP sensor, 4K oversampled from 6K, and a product showcase setting make it stand out. Grab this gem for $699. Number 4, Fujifilm XS10. Securing the 4th spot is the Fujifilm XS10. With a vari-angle touchscreen, 20 frames per second continuous shooting, and 26.1 MP sensor, it's a creative delight. Yours for $1,399. Number 3, Nikon Z50 DX. Our bronze medalist is the Nikon Z50 DX. Offering superb image quality, 4K movies, and a smooth EVF, it's a compact powerhouse priced at $904. Number 2, Sony A6400. The silver goes to the Sony A6400. This feature-packed camera boasts a stacked 20.1 MP sensor, 425 focus points, and impressive 11 frames per second continuous shooting. The price? $999. Number 1, Canon EOS R10. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for, our number 1 pick, the Canon EOS R10. With a Digic X processor, 24.2 MP APS-C sensor, and 15 frames per second continuous shooting, it's a stellar performer. Own it for $1,099. That wraps up our list of the top 10 mirrorless cameras for beginners. Links to all these fantastic cameras are in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring that notification bell for more tech insights. Until next time, happy shooting.